One flew away, and then there were three. Three little bluebirds, what will they do? One flew away, and then there were two. And they were singing, hooker took my soda cracker. Does your mama chaw tobacco? If your mama chaws tobacco, fly away with the one that you love. Two little bluebirds sitting in the sun. One flew away, and then there was one. One little bluebird singing for fun. He flew away, and then there were none. And I was singing, hooker took my soda cracker. Does your mama chaw tobacco? If your mama chaws tobacco, fly away with the one that you love. One little bluebird flying in the blue. One flew back, and then there were two. Two little bluebirds sitting in my tree. One flew back, and then there were three. And they were singing, hooker took my soda cracker. Does your mama chaw tobacco? If your mama chaws tobacco, fly away with the one that you love. Three little bluebirds singing in my door. One flew back, and then there were four. Four little bluebirds sitting in my shack. They all flew away, and then they